Hi, hello viewers. Welcome back to Chef Dikshit Kitchen. Today I am going to show how to prepare a Mumbai style street food, very famous pav bhaji. Let's see the process. These are the ingredients for pav bhaji. First I am going to show how to cut the vegetables. First I am going to cut green chilies, just slit and make a fine chop. It's done. I'm going to take one medium and small size onions and make a fine chop. See how I'm going to cut a fine chop. See, it's done. More we can make fine, but I'm making little fine. Onions are done. Next I am going to take a 2 medium size of potatoes and just cut into slices. See, and make it a fine chop. For these potatoes we can pre-boil and we can mash, but I am using all vegetables are finely chopped that I am going to cook. Done. Now I am going to cut a carrot, same like potato. Be careful while cutting. All vegetables are cutted. Now I am going to show the process. First, switch it on the stove. Keep pressure cooker and add half block of butter. I mean 50 grams of butter. Let it melt. Yeah, it's done. Now I am going to add finely chopped onions. Let it saute. With one pressure cooker we can make a pav bhaji, very easy. Now I'm going to add 3 medium size tomatoes, chopped. Just mix it until it cooks. It goes raw smell. We have to cook. And add green chilies which we have chopped. Then add carrot, potato, give mix, and green peas, give mix. Add 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. Salt to taste. Pav bhaji masala 2 tablespoons. We can purchase outside or we can make at home. Very simple. 1 tablespoon coriander powder and mix it properly. For this pav bhaji we can use more vegetables, cauliflower, capsicum and mushrooms we can use, but now I am using just this potato, carrot and green peas, onion and tomato. That's it. Home recipe, simple recipe. And add 1 glass of water. Give mix. Add some coriander and mix it. Close the lid until it gets 3 whistles. Meanwhile, we are going to fry pav. Keep tawa. Add butter. Let it melt. Add little chili powder. Now keep pav. Let it fry. Nice smell. The butter smell is coming out. See how it's looking. Wow, it's done. Make all like that only. See, 3 whistles are done. Now I'm going to open it. See, the butter is formed up. Just mix it. Take dal masher and mash it. Nice. All vegetables are cooked nice, perfectly. See, bhaji is done. Add some coriander and mix it. Just bhaji is ready. Then why are you waiting? Eat with pav. Finally, pav bhaji is done. Garnish with some onions and coriander. Stay home, stay safe, have a healthy food. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Hope you like it. Must try. Thank you.